L&T surprising the street on the upside. The third quarter PAT stands at 991 crore rupees, and that is way higher than what the adjusted as well as the reported net profit figure was the expectation from the street, because we were expecting the poll, or rather the PAT, to come in at about 883 crore rupees, 991, and that's a significant performance and upside really coming in from L&T. That is way surpassed all street expectations versus a figure of 840 as a comparable. That's the third quarter, and you can see the sharp spike up in reaction coming into L&T, which had gone completely soft into its numbers. Remember, at one point in time, L&T was down by about almost 2%. The top line performance, we're expecting a figure of 13,329 crore rupees. Let's just wait by for that. More than that, I think it is the order inflow, like Darshan as well was just reiterating a while back, that the street is going to be watching out for. The numbers, yes, they have way past street estimates, but it is the order inflow to the tune of about 10,000 to 12,000 crore rupees. That is what the expectation is for third quarter. So after what they had to do in terms of an order inflow guidance cut in the second quarter, I think the only monitorable that the street wants to watch out for is what L&T does in terms of their order, what is the management commentary in terms of their order flow guidance. That is one thing, or the key parameter that the street is going to watch out for. Yes, the numbers on the PAT figure have appreciated by a good 23%, and that is way past our estimates of 883 crore rupees. You can see the stock price actually come in higher, and again you are seeing a cool off come in, because I think what the street really wants to watch out for is what the management has to do in terms of their order flow guidance after a 10% cut that they initiated last quarter. Remember, after 15% of an order flow guidance, they cut their order flow guidance in the last quarter to about 5%, and which really did not go well with the street. That's the sales figure, 14,155 crore rupees, and that again is higher than what the analysts on the street were pegging the numbers to come in at, because we were expecting a top line appreciation of about 17%. 13,329 was what the ET Now poll was actually throwing up, and the top line figure has come in at 14,155. So both on the top as well as the bottom line, L&T has come out with a good set of numbers. But at the cost of repeating myself, it's the order inflows that the street is going to be watching out for, because that is going to really decide which way L&T is headed in the near term, and that is going to be actually, aiding the stock price move as well, which is currently lower by about 1.5%. You did see some bit of relief kick in. The stock was actually recovering from the lows of the day, and again, you're seeing some softening in the stock price. That's the order inflow for the third quarter at 17,129. Now, that is the figure that the street should actually cheer about, because that again is way higher than what we were estimating, because we were expecting the order inflow to the tune of about 10,000 to about 12,000 crore rupees. And a 17,000 plus figure definitely is something that the street is actually going to welcome, and perhaps you should see the stock on its way to recovery.